Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Arteon Arteon 2.0 TSI 190 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a manganese grey metallic finish and it looks remarkable. The car's been well maintained during its life cycle by its one previous owner. As you can see, it's got a really clean bodywork and low miles on the clock. We have the 19-inch Montevideo black alloy wheels, which do complement that exterior finish well, creating a captivating look. An electric tailgate, simply hold the button of the key and you can access the boot directly. Great if you have your hands filled with shopping, for example. A long boot capacity, big enough to fit stuff like golf clubs inside there with ease, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console and a sustainable amount of legroom. The multifunction steering wheel does give access to the immersive digital cockpit, we'll touch on this soon. And panning around, you can see we have the R-line embroidery on the seats there, consisting of the black and titanium black interior upholstery. A panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for all year round. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data, audio and your navigation whilst on the move. Over on the left hand side, we also have features like the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options to choose from, and making our way into our drive mode selection with the 4 different drive modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings, enabling you to get to that perfect driving position. And as you can see here, I'm changing the steering to Sport, while everything else remains normal. As we do access our park distance control, we have our parking sensors ensuring confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring that minimize the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. You can access this by pressing the button or simply popping the car into reverse, where these sensors will automatically display for you. This is a great addition to the vehicle as it offers a much more safer experience. Lastly, the car also incorporates heated front seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, and these are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there, providing a much more comfortable winter experience, alongside the dual climate control, which allows you to separately control the temperature. This video on the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty, alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.